I'm not kidding you when I say this just might be the best curly hair serum you'll ever make. Today's video is an updated version of my super softening curl defining homemade hair serum that leaves your curls juicy and plump with zero frizz. If you're new, my name's Michelle. Subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I drop a new DIY video. This serum contains 3 very simple, straightforward ingredients. The first one is marshmallow root. I use this a lot in many of my DIYs because the benefits are insanely good for your hair. It just leaves my hair super soft. It makes it a lot thicker, which is very important to me because I have curls that are on the finer side, so anything that could make it appear a little bit thicker is always great. The second thing is calendula, which I actually thought was calendula for the longest time because that's how I learned to say it, and maybe it's because I'm Jamaican, I don't know. We're mainly using this because it is amazing for your skin and your scalp health. It's very important that we rub this into our scalp. What you're going to do is combine all these ingredients together, stir and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower it to a simmer for about 30 minutes. Partially cover the pot to ensure that you don't cook off too much of the liquid. And once the 30 minutes is up, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. All the ingredients and the tools I used are going to be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you've seen my most recent DIY video, I used a French press to extract my flaxseed gel, and I use it to extract a large majority of my DIYs now because it is just so easy and mess free. If you don't have one, no worries, just use a strainer, but I really enjoy pressing any other nutrients I can out of the herbs with a French press. This serum is meant to be applied directly to the scalp as well as throughout your entire hair, so for that particular reason, I love to preserve it by freezing it. I just bottle the portion that I need for the wash day and then I freeze the rest. Go ahead and save the date it was made in your Google Calendar or whatever calendar you have on your phone, as well as the expiration date, so that you get a notification when it's time to toss it. I rarely ever toss it out though because I always end up using all of it within a time frame, like way sooner before it expires. I apply the serum to refresh frizzy curls throughout the week. I also detangle my hair with this, and it's an absolute dream. It actually made me look forward to wash day because of how amazing it made my hair feel and look, and that's saying a lot because I secretly dislike wash day because it takes so long, but this made it more of an enjoyable and almost luxurious experience. I use this serum to create a DIY deep conditioner as well, and it creates the most hydrated juicy curls treatment. Definitely drop a comment below if you guys want to see how I create that. This hair serum is a staple product in my curl care regimen because it always leaves my hair super soft with zero frizz, and your curls are definitely going to love it. A great way that I also use this serum is by pairing it with flaxseed gel for long-lasting wash and goes, and you can watch that video next by clicking the link in my description box. As always, I'm wishing you all the love, light, and good vibes, and I will see you in the next one.